Understanding Tense Atmosphere, an English Learning Guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, tense atmosphere. You might have heard it in movies, books, or maybe in daily conversations. This video will help you understand what it means, how to use it, and we'll also look at some examples. So, let's dive in. The phrase, tense atmosphere, is made up of two words, tense and atmosphere. Let's break them down. Tense. This word describes a state of mental or emotional strain or suspense. It can also refer to a situation filled with stress or anxiety. Atmosphere. In this context, it refers to the mood or feeling that exists in a place or situation. So, when combined, a tense atmosphere describes a situation where the mood or environment is filled with stress, anxiety, or suspense. You can use this phrase in various situations. Here are some examples. In social settings, if there is an argument or uncomfortable silence among a group of people, you might say, "There was a tense atmosphere in the room." In storytelling, authors often use this phrase to set the mood of a scene, like, "The tense atmosphere in the detective's office hinted at bad news." In news reports, journalists might describe a political meeting or a crisis situation as having a tense atmosphere. Remember, it's used to describe the mood, not the physical aspects of a place. Avoid confusing tense atmosphere with physical tension or stress. For example, it's not correct to say, "I have a tense atmosphere in my back." Instead, you should say, "I feel tension in my back." Understanding synonyms can help you expand your vocabulary. Here are a few. Charged atmosphere, stressful environment, an air of tension. These phrases can be used interchangeably depending on the context. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, tense atmosphere. Remember, it's all about the mood or feeling in a particular situation or place. Try using it in your conversations or writing to express situations filled with suspense or anxiety. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful English learning videos.